Hafades and Tiro. My name is Celine and
My name is Norbert.
today we'll be cooking shrimp tempura. He will be cooking shrimp tempura. Just kidding. Okay, Norbert, tell us what shrimp tempura is.
Shrimp Tempura is a cuisine that we locally make ourselves, and we enjoy it as a snack, and it's really delicious.
And it's great for party food. So this is one of the staples in Chamorro households when we have big parties. You can pretty much find shrimp tempura at every dinner party. So yeah, that's what we'll be making today. We have our shrimp. You can use various ingredients, but today we're gonna use shrimp. We're gonna use imitation crab meat, and then we have mixed vegetables here, and then the rest of the ingredients which will go into the shrimp tempura.
Which
So
would
go ahead.
be flour, milk, about 2 eggs depending on how much you're making, oil, and our seasonings, salt and pepper, and our condensed milk that we add in.
Evaporated milk. Yeah. Okay, let's get started.
Pour some flour.
Try not to make a mess. Oh, I'm making more mess.
So it seems easy when you're not doing anything.
I'm doing a lot. Supervising is
So I'm
pretty
pretty
hard.
much just eyeballing it, but you want to get about 1.5 cups of flour, for depending on how much you're making.
That looks like more than 1.5 cups. Looks like 2.5 cups.
You want to pour in your seasonings, about like a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt.
Hey Nob, so how was your day?
It's pretty good actually, because you weren't around, so.
Did I say that you were my brother? Did I introduce that already?
No, you didn't.
Anyway,
So
this is my
open
little
up,
brother, if you guys
our
didn't
can.
know. He's 4 years younger than me
And this is my
and a
little
pain
sister.
in the butt. Ooh.
So this is how we do it, island style.
Yep, if you don't have a can opener, just make sure you get an adult to open the cans for you.